Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is getting closer and closer, and maybe you have no clue what to give your boyfriend or girlfriend or maybe friend or family. I thought it'd be fun to make another video on some fun DIY gifts that are easy to make with stuff that you might already have at home. So if you need any last moment or just cute DIY gifts in general, I got them for you. Let's get started. I will link them all for you down in the description so you can check them out as well. First video, I don't know if I have more from her, but I've seen her do a lot of DIYs, but I really like this DIY. It's kind of simple and cute, and it doesn't have to be specifically for someone that you're in a relationship with, but it is just fun in general. It is a fun DIY, and you might even use it for yourself as well. And you can also just do this in so many different ways, which I like with DIYs. For this next one, you really have to wait to see how it turns out, because this is so adorable. Like, oh my god. Every time I say this in every video, but I just don't get how people come up with this kind of stuff. I really don't, but I love it so much. I love that they're that creative, that they share it with us, that we can make it as well, because this is so adorable. Like, how? Oh my god. I'm obsessed with this one. I think it looks so good. For the next one, I believe I have a few more from this girl, but she's really good. For this one, she makes a heart box, so you can give your gift inside this cute little red hearted box, and I think it just looks really fun. I think I have some DIYs that is also focused on a gift box, also something that you can put inside, but also just a box, which is fun. It is very different than just wrapping something or just giving something small like that. Like, that is not as fun. This is just a great idea if you have something smaller to give maybe and you want to do it in a fun way. It looks really good and it would be really fun to get. Oh, there she is again. This one says a gift DIY for your friends, but it doesn't have to be. There are pictures that goes inside this, and you can do anything, literally anything with that. So you can do it for your boyfriend or girlfriend or friend. Indeed, you can do that as well. And I think this is so fun. It turns out so great, and I just like the look of it. And it's really fun to have like in your room or something, like just as decoration as well. It's just really fun. There's this girl again. I'm sorry, what's her name? Angie? This time she is making a photo booth, and if you didn't know, I made another video with gift DIYs for Christmas, but could also be used for Valentine's Day. In that one, I also showed a photo booth, but from a different person, and that one was also really cute, but this one was pretty different, so I thought let's just include it as well, because I just love the idea of a photo booth. I don't know why, but I think it's absolutely adorable. And this one also looks really good, and you can make it for multiple occasions, not just for Valentine's Day. You can make it for anyone you like. I know I would love to get this personally. I don't know why, I'm just so obsessed with this. This gift DIY is also just really interesting. I don't really understand how it works, but it couldn't be that hard. Could not be that complicated. It's just me, but I like it. I think it's cute. I realize that a lot of these are with photos. You might not have a printer, but maybe you have access to a printer around you at school, at work, at your parents' work, maybe at a friend's. So just ask around. I'm sure someone around you has a printer. If you don't, it's okay. This next one is again so teeny tiny. In the last video, I also had some DIYs that were just so tiny and small, and I was like, why are they that small? But I do still like it, and in my opinion, you can make it a little bigger if you'd like. But I did like the idea, and it's really smart and fun and easy, and it doesn't cost you any money probably, so that is also nice, of course. This next one, okay, it may not be perfect for Valentine's Day, but it's a cherry DIY gift box. Oh my god, it just looks so good, and I just had to put it in here. Maybe you're not even watching this for Valentine's Day, you're just watching it for any other day, any other gift. I really liked it, and I wanted to put it in here, so use it, not what. This next one is just really fun, especially for a last minute gift, but you do need some paint for this and a little bit of drawing skills. But I guess you can also just take a picture from the internet and draw it over, put it on your window, and then put the paper on top where you want it on and just draw it over. I did that all the time in my drawing class, so it's really not that hard, but I just like it a lot. I'm sorry, I'm making excuses as if you can't do anything, but I'm sure you are all very creative and talented. That's why you're watching this video, but I just want to mention, because I would not be able to do this. I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop talking now. I feel like I'm only making it worse. So this next idea is actually a Christmas DIY gift. I guess you can make it also not as a Christmas gift DIY and like make it for Valentine's Day or birthday or whatever. So, you know, again, the advantage with this is that you can do it in many different ways. We're just gonna ignore the Christmas part. I wanted to put it in here because I like it. Here is Angie again. So this one is a little bit more complicated. There is a template with this, but she said that she shows it at the end of the video so you can screenshot it and use it yourself. I really like this idea. I think it's really fun and something that people do not really see coming. Like, this would be a total surprise. It would even scare me. You have to wait till the end to see how it turns out, but I just really like it. Again, with the photos. So anyway, she made like these cubes with tons of photos on it, and now she's making forgot the word, but look at it. I think it looks so fun. Like, and I would so not expect this, honestly. It does seem like a lot of work though, but I think you should be able to do this in like an hour and a half. Yeah. Oh, there she is again. Again, this one you can do in many different ways. You can make for many different occasions. It doesn't even have to be a gift. You can also make it for yourself, which is always fun as well. She is making keychains, and I don't really exactly know what how this works. She like shrinks them in the oven, and I don't know if that's special paper or special markers, or if you can literally just do it with paper, because I don't think so. But anyway, it looks really fun, and if you understand how it works. Oh, it's shrink plastic. Sure, I would totally make this on my own if I knew how to. But I really like it. So this next DIY is also from a girl that I've had multiple DIYs from, but she makes really fun ones. And this one, she makes a gift, but she also makes a gift box. You can make them together, you can make them separately, you could just make the box, for example. I like the gift in general. I think it's really fun. There's Angie again. Oh my god, this idea is so fun. I've never seen it like this. Like, I've seen it with like a drawing or something, but I've never seen it with this, like from a live photo. I think that is so smart, but this is just really fun. Now that you're watching the video, I think you can see where this is going. She likes where you like flip the book really quickly, and it looks like a video or something almost, you know, because it looks like it's moving. So that is just really fun. I don't know if you can also make live pictures like that on Android phones, but with Apple you can just tap the live thingy and then you can always make live photos, and it's just so nice just in general. But for this, it is just so smart to do and to use that, and I don't know why, I just think this is so incredibly smart. There she is again. Oh my god, I didn't realize I had so many of her, but okay. This next one I love so much. Little spoiler, she makes basically a card with one of those aesthetic Polaroid cameras in them. I have that one, the one she's making. I haven't. That is so fun. It just looks so incredibly fun. Again, with photos, I know. For this one, she actually uses a real Polaroid photo. You don't have to. What I did once is like print out photos with a Polaroid border around it so that it would look like a Polaroid, but it's not actually. So you could also do something like that. You can just look up a Polaroid border on Google, and then you can just like paste the photo in it and it'll look like a Polaroid almost. So you could also just use a normal picture. It doesn't have to be a Polaroid. I thought this idea was so smart and so incredibly fun, especially if you have people who love Polaroid cameras or are into photography. It's just so fun. I really love this. I just love this idea. I think it's, oh, it's so smart. Oh my god, this next one is my favorite. I don't know, I love clay DIYs. I'm obsessed with them because you can literally make anything, and that is why I love them so much. But this one, oh my god, I just so want to make it for myself, but I don't know what I would do with it, honestly. I just think it looks so good, and like, how do you come up with this stuff? Oh, I love it so much. It is so adorable. This next one I also love so much. So for this one, you will see it later in the video, she also uses one of those Spotify codes. By the way, quick side note, I got a question about that in my last video. How do you get one of those Spotify codes? And you can go to a website, just type in like Spotify code. You can copy the link from the song or the playlist that you want to make a code of. You can paste it on the website and you will get one of those codes, and you can print it out. So that is how you get those. I think this is so adorable. Like, oh my god, just the tape recorder itself. You can make it a little less complicated if you're not that good at painting or drawing, but it looks so good. And just the idea itself with like the pull-up thingy, oh my god. I just love that. When I saw that, I was like, I have to put this in a video because it is so good. Then this last one is also one of my favorites of this video. So she makes a puzzle, and this is just This is so smart. Oh my god. So she does like draw and paint the picture, but you could also print it out maybe, or you can do it any other way. You could also like put it in one of those animation programs that makes it into a picture painting, print that out and use that, whatever you want. But I just loved this idea so much that you actually just make a puzzle of a photo of yours. That is so much fun, and look how it looks. Oh my god, you could like make a little standard in the back so that you can also use it as like just like almost a picture frame. That is so fun. That were all the DIYs again. Oh my god, we flew through this video, we really did. I hope you liked them. I hope there was something in it for you. If you didn't see anything you liked, or if you want more ideas, then I have another DIY gift video for you, or watch any of my other DIY videos with just fun DIYs. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to become a part of the family, and I hope I will see you in my next video.